Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to convert your PPT file to video. Friends, it's always helpful to convert your PowerPoint presentation to video format as it helps to send your presentation on email etc. to your clients. So to convert PowerPoint presentation to video format, you simply need to open your already created presentation and in your presentation you need to click on file. Here you need to click on save as, browse the destination of the folder. Now here we need to change the saving format type. For that you need to click here. Now here you need to select MPEG-4 video and click on save. Now friends, as you can see, now it is converting my PowerPoint presentation to video format. It may take little time, so you need to wait till this process gets completed. Now the process is complete, so we will open the video. Now as you can see, a video file is created on our desktop. Now we will open it. So friends, like this you can very easily convert your PowerPoint presentation to a video format. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.